Welcome to Activity 50, A Little Harder. In this activity, we will be developing the strategy of bridging 10 for addition, starting with a part of 19 for wholes of up to 30. To complete this activity, you need 2 of each block from 1 to 9 and 1 linear 10. If you have original boards, please place them inside a right and white sleeve. When we add, it's add part equals whole. The blocks representing the parts are placed below the line, and the blocks representing the whole are placed above. This number line starts at 10, which means here is the number 19. The part of 19 is already represented. We are going to place the spinner on the board and add a part of 6. We are going to add the part of 6 in 2 blocks. Firstly, a 1 to join with the 9. This will bridge 10 to the number 20. I then, to add the part of 6, need to add 1 more block. I then need to place 1 block so that my whole is the same length as my parts. I say the equation, 19 add 6 equals 25, and I record this. Player 2 has their turn, and they spin 7. They place this in 2 blocks, 1 block to bridge 10 and 1 more. If they need to, they can check that they have added the part of 7. They then place 1 more block to make their whole the same length as the parts. 19 add 7 equals 26. And I record this. 19 add 7 equals 26. Player 2 had the larger whole or the largest sum, so they win for this round. Now it's your turn.